In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chase bank statements to QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances with QuickBooks Online, connecting your bank accounts can save you time and ensure accuracy by automatically pulling in your transaction data. Today, we'll focus on linking your Chase accounts to QuickBooks so you can streamline your bookkeeping process. Whether you're just getting started or need to reconnect an account, I'll guide you step by step to make the process simple and hassle-free. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, open your QuickBooks Online company file. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Accounting tab. This will reveal a few options, and from there, select the Bank Transactions tab. This is where all your linked accounts and imported transactions will be managed. Next, locate the Link Account button in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a search field appear. Type Chase into the search bar, and when Chase Bank shows up in the results, go ahead and select it. Once you've selected Chase, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your Chase account. This step is crucial for securely connecting your bank to QuickBooks. If you're prompted to complete multi-factor verification, make sure to have your phone or email handy to confirm your identity. This extra layer of security ensures that only you have access to your account. After authentication, you'll be asked to select which specific Chase accounts you want to link. For example, you might choose your checking account, savings account, or even a credit card account. Select all the accounts you want QuickBooks to pull transactions from and proceed to finalize the connection. When you've completed the authentication process, QuickBooks will begin loading your recent Chase bank data. This might take a moment, so be patient while the system syncs. If you don't see your transactions appear immediately, simply refresh the page. Now, it's time to review and categorize your imported transactions. Head back to the Bank Transactions tab, where you can assign each transaction to the correct category in your books. This step is essential for keeping your financial records organized and accurate. If you encounter any issues during the process, here are a couple of quick troubleshooting tips. First, ensure you're signed in with a user role that has permission to connect bank accounts. Without the right permissions, you won't be able to complete this setup. Second, if the connection window doesn't appear, check if you have pop-up blockers enabled in your browser. Temporarily disabling them should resolve the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your Chase bank accounts to QuickBooks Online, making it easier than ever to track your business finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.